These are the medications people are given typically for psychiatric problems, anxiety, depression, schizophrenia. It's the article I thought was very interesting because it tells something that I know from being in the field, that it's what's driving these medications. 1987, there were $500 million spent on psychiatric medications. Now there's 30 billion, which is a 60-time increase since 1987. Excuse me, 1 out of every 8 people over the age of 6 are on psychiatric medications. What's happened is they market these medications, and what's driving a lot of this now is, you know, the big pharma has been given this the last several years. They can advertise directly to the patient. Patients come in demanding these medications. What the research, what more and more of the companies are doing, are cutting back on their research because they're finding it's much more profitable to basically not come up with a new medication, but to basically just do a knockoff of another medication that's already on the market. And so what's really driving this now is in the need to make greater profits. They're spending less on research and design and more on just making a chemical cousin. So, for instance, Celexa was on, they've initially come out, they're on a patent. And usually after, I believe, 10 to 12 to 13 years, those patents expire. And so what happens is normally there's a drive to create an improved version of the medication to replace those sales. Well, now they're finding it's more cost effective to just advertise and then come up with give them a substitute medication like a Lexapro. So what's driving our drug use and even our drug research is the dollar and the public hysteria.